up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to go over the 2022 Audi E-Tron GT and we're going to go over 5 reasons why you should pick this car over the Tesla. Let's jump into it. Alright, probably the number one reason you want to pick this car over a Tesla is the cockpit. So right off the bat, this car has a lot more presence. Way more presence than a Tesla. It doesn't feel like IKEA furniture. This is not an appliance. This is a vehicle that feels like a spaceship. Has a cockpit, has a heads-up display, which is incredible. And you get 2 awesome screens. So you're going to get the standard digital cockpit and the other center cluster display. You also get access to the controls, physical buttons, which is incredible. And you also have a physical drive select button. You also have a heated steering wheel button and a bunch of, ventilated seats, heated seats, all stuff you're not going to find on a Tesla. I think the cockpit alone, the feel, having this down by your knees, having the cup holders here, the center console is higher, it has more presence, the car hugs you, it makes you feel like you're one with the vehicle. The high doors, everything is tied in together. It feels like a racing machine. Just feels like something that is meant to be out of space, going light speed. So I think the number one reason is the cockpit. So let's move on. Okay, number 2. The seats. Straight away, these seats, you guys have so much more bolstering by the thighs and on the lower back. You compare these to, any of the performance seats in the Tesla, it doesn't matter what trim it is, these seats actually hold you in place. Like I've been in the Model 3 Performance, and when you're whipping around turns, you're just sliding around like butter on, those synthetic seats, which is great that it's a vegan product, which you can also get in the e-tron GT. However, this one, fortunately, does have leather, real leather, with the stitching specific to the e-tron, and look at the shape of this thing. These are true bucket seats. They're almost like Sparko-esque design. They are so comfortable, and even better, the back seats also have this bolstering. Look at this for the rear passengers. You're not going to find that in any of the Teslas. Even down here. So much more control for keeping you in place when you're whipping around turns, what have you. I just think the seats alone are well worth the upgrade and the extra money to jump into the Audi. Is Quattro. Okay, the all-wheel drive system. The heritage of this company, Audi, racing heritage brand, Quattro, coming from rally innovation and everything they've done over the years in all sorts of different performance categories. The Quattro system on this car is incredible. It's super balanced. You have so much control when you drive it. And compared to a Tesla, which, again, not really a racing heritage or racing brand, they don't have the experience Audi does when it comes to all-wheel drive vehicles. And if you're going to be getting something with so much power, so much torque, if you plan on taking this vehicle to the track or anything like that, you cannot beat picking an Audi product over a Tesla. That's just my opinion, and that's my number 3 reason why you need to pick the Audi e-tron GT over the Tesla. 4th reason, I think this vehicle really is a better product, and just this is again my opinion, the styling. Down to it actually having this, Q8-esque grille, the LED headlights, actually having functional scoops here on the bumper and on the fender. It's all functional. full pass-through. You can see right through them. And the body lines are just incredible on this vehicle. It just has a lot more road presence. It looks a lot wider. The stance is wider. The color aesthetic, having the black optics package on this vehicle and actually having gloss black, not like a matte black that the Teslas have on their performance models. I think gloss black is just a lot cleaner, which you can see in the diffuser, tail lights, window trim, and in the wheels. It's just a lot more aggressive looking. I even really love the grille. Like I was saying, of course, the beam rings light up and you have this geometric pattern on the front. Some of your drive system controls on the bottom as far as adaptive cruise and radar. And you still get a small frunk. Some buttons right there for the front. I feel like the Tesla may excel in this category. But at least it's still pretty usable. Small duffel bag or something fit in there. Again, to go with the styling, Audi's thought of everything as far as not only aesthetic, but mounting holes for roof crossbars. If you're going to include that into this vehicle, I think it's awesome. Of course, all the lights are sequential. Okay, so the fifth and final reason I would say pick the e-tron GT over any Tesla is build quality. Fitment of everything. It's perfection. There's no weird body gap lines in anything. There's no misaligned panels or my door doesn't close, my trunk doesn't close, this doesn't open, etc., etc. My wheels have a scuff or weird stuff coming from the factory. Audi has that dialed in already, guys. They've been doing this a long time. You need to worry about how perfect this product comes to you. This product's going to come to you, you know, hand built in certain areas and just perfect quality from a factory level, not something that was rushed over development over a 5-year period. And you know, Audi already has the game down. This car is built to, you know, built to spec, built to perfection. Everything is incredible. Everything is not going to have issues. And their warranty centers are so much easier to work with an Audi warranty than trying to get something fixed on a Tesla. Doesn't matter what it is. Got a ding, got some scratches, body damage, whatever. People, insurance companies, any kind of business is going to want to work a lot easier with repairing your car if that's an issue to you, but just the quality of the car is so much better. The seats, the leather, the stitching, the feel of the steering wheel, everything just feels like a superior luxury product. And that is the fifth reason why I would say pick the Audi. Okay guys, thank you so much for joining today. If you appreciate this content, please subscribe down below, comment, like this video, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out.